I have received 32 muffins, and the first batch is already baked, and now I'm just waiting for the second batch to be put into the oven, because the oven temperature drops down when we open the oven, so I have to preheat the oven and then put in the next batch. So 24 is already baked, and we will have another 8. Our muffins are ready, baked, and it's cool off, and now we are going to make a glaze for the muffin. So let's see how the glaze is going to be made. To make the glaze we need 3 ingredients, which is icing sugar 2/3 of a cup, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and also a pinch of salt. To begin our process to make the glaze, in a basin add the icing sugar or confectioner's sugar, a pinch of salt, and also the lemon juice. And with that we shall start off with a hand blender, and we'll just mix it up on a slow speed. I've increased the speed a little bit. And the glaze is ready. And our glaze is ready, and so now we are just going to pour the glaze on top of it. Then we go on the sides. So we just go on like that. Just a little bit. And as you can see here. And there we go, dear viewers, our glaze has been placed on top of the muffins. So now let it dry, and then we can start eating them. And we have come to our final product of our orangey blueberry muffins. So this is the end product that I have provided for you with the glazing. So I hope you have enjoyed the video, and I wish that you will try this in your home. Try the store-bought and the homemade. I wish that you will try this in your home, and also I wish all those who are new welcome aboard, and those who are with me, thank you very much in the season of Easter. So let us bake and celebrate Easter. Let's end off this recipe by saying goodbye, and for those who are observing the Ramadan, I wish you a happy Ramadan. Ramadan Mubarak to all my Muslim viewers. So this would be a good dessert, a breakfast for your home. You don't have to taste or anything, you just make it straight, and then when the time to break your fast, you can use this as for your dessert for one of the 30 days. So I hope you'll try this, and we see each other in our next video. Till then, bye bye.